chewing.
I don't like chewing on
Yeah,
camera.
right? It's like,
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nikki, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few of my favorite Kodiak cake recipes. I've seen a lot of people asking about what to do with Kodiak cake mixes, and a lot of times I just follow the instructions on the box. However, I like to add in a few lower point options, so I like to sub out the milk for almond milk, and I like to sub out the oil for either Greek yogurt or applesauce, so that pretty much the only thing I'm tracking is the mix. But let's go ahead and get started. So I've got a few different Kodiak mixes. So this one I've already opened, but this is the buttermilk mix. And with that, I'm gonna make a banana bread. Then I also have the blueberry lemon, and I'm gonna make muffins with that and just show you the substitutes that I put in with it. And then I also got the cinnamon oat, Pancakes, flapjack, and waffle mix. And this one I'm gonna use for a sheet pancake. So let's go ahead and get started with the banana bread. Okay, so right away I just put 2 ripe bananas in a bowl and I'm mashing them with a fork, and I didn't want any giant chunks, so I'm just getting it to the consistency that I would like. You can do it however you'd like. Then I added in 2 eggs and a 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a 1/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then you're just gonna mix that until it's all pretty much combined. Then you're going to go in with a 1/2 cup of swerve brown sugar and 2 cups of Kodiak buttermilk mix. Then once that's all combined, you're just going to go ahead and put it in a loaf pan. And I knew that I was going to be freezing some of these loaves, so I actually used 3 mini pans that I had. But you can go ahead and use a regular loaf pan. You can use pretty much any pan you'd like for these, but the recipe calls for a regular loaf pan. I just wanted to use these. And then I just topped with some chopped walnuts. Okay, so I start out cracking 2 eggs into a bowl, and then I add a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, a 1/2 cup of nonfat Greek yogurt, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and then you're going to go ahead and just whisk that together until it's combined and then set it aside. Then I grab another bowl and I'm just going to combine the dry ingredients. So I have a 1/4 cup of swerve brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 cups of Kodiak, flapjack, and waffle mix. And I use the cinnamon oat flavor. Then you're just going to go ahead and combine the wet and the dry ingredients until there's no more big lumps in the mixture. And it's going to look something like this. Then you're going to spray a 9x13 pan, pour the pancake batter into the pan, and then just spread it out evenly so that it bakes evenly. And then you can go ahead and top it with whatever you like. I chose to do fresh blueberries, and we really like this. I think next time I might try some chocolate chips. Okay, so I started out with a 1/3 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and 2 eggs, and I just whisked those till they were combined. Then I added 1 box of the Kodiak lemon blueberry muffin mix, and you just want to mix that together until there are no more big lumps. And then I went ahead and grabbed a muffin tin, and I used cupcake liners. I don't recommend that. I think you'd be better off spraying the pan with Pam because a lot stuck to the liners. But I just evenly divided the batter and baked them. Okay, so I have the banana bread already in the oven, and it's been in there for like 25 minutes. It's got like 15 left. And then I'm going to put the pancakes and the muffins in together because they bake at 375. I'm just going to finish baking those up, and then we're going to do a taste test. Okay, so these are finally cooled off. Actually, the pancake wasn't even cool enough. I just had to cut into it. We were too excited. But we're going to test them out really quick. So we have our sheet pancake with blueberries.
It's got a full blueberry.
I actually like the chunks of the oats in there.
Yeah, that's good.
It'd be good with more fruit on it.
Oh yeah.
I could use a little sweetness, but those are really good. That was good. So then we got a chunk of banana bread.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
I like that one better than them.
That tastes like just like legit.
That is good. The lemon blueberry muffin.
Lemon blueberry is my favorite combo, so that's definitely my number one.
It's good. I actually really like the texture. It's like really spongy.
Yeah. Woo!
I think my favorite's the banana bread though.
Mine is definitely the lemon blueberry, then the banana bread, and then the pancakes. But
Pancake's good. It would be good with like the syrup on it and a little fruit.
Yep. Some of that sugar-free syrup.
Wow. Woo! I'm excited to eat all these. So we'll be making these last. And actually, I have multiple of the mini loaves, so I'm going to throw some of those in the freezer. I'll probably throw some of everything in the freezer and see how they hold up, because a lot of times the baked goods are fine in the freezer. That's just a super convenient breakfast or dessert. Even this, I could eat this for dessert. It's a good thing to just have ready. The Kodiak mixes are actually pretty easy to find. We find them at Walmart all the time, but they're pretty much everywhere.
They're taking over.
Really, it's really easy to replace the oil with either Greek yogurt or applesauce. It's insane the difference it makes. It really makes the bread a lot moister. I hope you guys found this video helpful and maybe found a new recipe that you'll try with Kodiak mixes. I'll post all the points in the description box below. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time.